All right, we're connecting our phone to our Linux Mint install. Here's how to do it with KDE Connect. Go to the Linux Mint App Store, which is called Software Manager, search for KDE Connect, and then install it. Once you have it installed, search your computer for KDE Connect, and then open it. If you have your firewall turned on, then you will see that you're not going to be able to find any devices through KDE Connect. So, search your computer for firewall, open it, and then click on Rules. Down at the bottom, click that little plus icon. And here is the stuff that we need to change. Your screen needs to look like this. The direction needs to be both. And then down at the application, that little search bar at the very bottom, if you just start typing in KDE, that application should automatically fill for you. Once your screen looks like mine, just click the Add button. And now if you look back over at the Firewall app, you will see that all of our rules for KDE Connect got added. You need to restart your computer in order for that firewall rule to take effect, and then open back up the KDE app. Now it should have auto-discovered devices that are on your network. Ooh, bad tutorial guy. I forgot to mention that you need to go to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, whatever the heck they call it, and search for KDE Connect and install it there too. By the way, this app doesn't share any information with any third parties. It's completely open source and free. And yeah, all of your data, it's private, it's yours. All right, once it has found your device on the network, click on your device's name and then click on the pair button. You will have gotten a notification on your phone. Just click Accept. KDE Connect is now set up, but there's some creature comforts that we're going to add. First off, if you have the Android app or the iPhone app or whatever, it's going to say, hey, we need some permissions for this to work. You'll have a whole list of things underneath of here. Accept everything. Like I said, this doesn't share any of your data with any third-party source, and you can see that inside of the App Store. So accept everything that's on there. The only one that I don't have accepted is my contact synchronizer. All right, we're going to add this fancy little applet down here that's a phone that allows you to quickly access the KDE Connect settings and do nifty things like ring my device, something that I use probably 5 times a day. Pure coincidence that right as I said that, I got a phone call. Search your settings for applets. Open it. Once you got it open, click on Download. Search for KDE and then select the one that says KDE Connect Applet and download it. All right, now that it's downloaded, we have to turn it on. So click on Manage, highlight the KDE Connect Applet and click the plus icon. Now you'll be able to do some pretty nifty and handy stuff such as ring your device. This is what pops up on your screen whenever you click that ring your device thing. Oh, by the way, Apple users, unfortunately, KDE Connect will not run in the background as a background service on your device. So you won't be able to use this feature unless you have the KDE Connect app already open. But you can still use quite a lot of the other features like sharing files in between devices and remote controlling your computer and stuff like that. Oh, as well, what was I going to get at? Oh, if you ever have some connection problems, you can, shut off your Wi-Fi or whatever. But the way that I have found to be the easiest to like reconnect a device or like wake it up or whatever, there's an option inside of here that says ping device. Click that. And it'll usually just send a notification to your phone or to, vice versa from phone to computer. And it will wake the app up and restart the connection. So I almost forgot. You need to add KDE Connect to your startup apps. So search your system settings for Startup. Open that, and then you'll be confronted with this little thing. Click the plus icon down at the bottom and then click on Choose Application. Search for KDE Connect and click the top one. It just says KDE Connect. And then you're done. You're good to go. You're set. Go enjoy it. Have fun. Share files. Ring your device. All that junk. This is video 4 in this series that I'm doing, by the way. I've got it all inside of a blog, and I put all the videos on there, too. So if you just head over to txtechnician.com/r/get Minty, you'll see all the video tutorials that I have done on installing Linux Mint. And, of course, if you would rather pay somebody to do that, we do that, too.